So my friends, I am definitely in a different location today. I don't even have a tripod or anything like that with me. So for my very first How to Kill a Kit with Style, I am going to do a challenge that's going on. Actually, this will be in the future for who's ever, no, in the past. For Secret Not Secret scrapbook party, and it's our team challenge. So I need to use pattern paper, mist, sequin, stickers, and a stamp. So I'm going to start with that, and I am going to use this photo here. This is my son, and he's kind of in the shadow, but he is in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. And I'm going to be using this paper here. It is by Heidi Swap, and it is the Wolf Pack. And it's already cut. My papers are already cut because I'm following along with RTS Scrapbooking. And this is layout 1 for RTS Scrapbooking. So we're going to go along this month with that. And to show you briefly where I am right now is I am on my friend's lake on her patio. Oh, and I don't know who that is. On the patio. So I am going to go ahead and put this together, and when I come back I will let you know what I came up with, because I have no idea. All right, wish me luck. Right, so I was successful with my challenge. I have pattern paper, mist that I made by mixing a couple of colors of these Lindy's Stamp Gang magical shakers so I could get the green that I wanted. I have like a little bit of an iridescent green in a few areas. Sequins. I have sequins in 3 spots. Where's my other one? There it is. 3 spots are my sequins. I have stickers all over the place. That's a sticker. These puffy guys are stickers. The little hearts. This embossed puffy, which is so cool, is a sticker. And then stamping. I stamped in a few different places as well. So I think the layout really came together. I'm excited with it. It was really easy to start with the pre-cut papers in the parameters that Janet gave us. So I went ahead and yeah, did that, and really, oh, and then I found these wood arrows that were in my kit and added them to go along with this little awesome wood sign. And this was the coolest thing that I had found along the way to put in my kit, was this little white flare with the black wolves on it. And I think I've had it forever. I don't know where I got it from, but sometimes things just work out perfectly. Let's see, what else was kind of interesting? This cut off tree here, I put the other piece just in the front of the wolf so that so I didn't waste any of it, because why not? And then I was a little bummed. After I cut out this mat that's behind my the photo of my son Justin, I realized I had the paper pad with me, and I was like, oh, bonehead move. I did use this little die cut here because it has, as you see here, that's the only part on this entire layout that has that melon color, but they were in almost as north in Michigan as you can possibly get. So I think that was kind of a win. I really liked that addition to it. And then these are from one of the Jen Hadfield collections. These little, they're a very nice deep brown enamel dot. And that's about it. I mean, when you get your sizes of papers to go ahead and use, it's easy to put it on. Now this was a 6x6. But I ended up cutting it down just to this size because I really also wanted to showcase this really nice rich brown wood grain that's in the background. And these pieces here, we had a 1 inch by 12 and a 1/2 inch by 12. I cut them slightly shorter and then just fishtailed them in 2 places to kind of have a place to put my banners, or to put my banners down, so I had a place to anchor my photo. So for today, that is what I got for both my How to Kill a Kit with Style, for my Secret Not Secret Kit Club Team Challenge #1, as well as playing along with Janet at RTS Scrapbooking. And let's cut back to my view. I mean, oh, it's so beautiful out here today. Okay, bye everyone.